What if tomorrow already exists? Imagine opening a book. Every page already exists. The first page, the last page, every chapter in between. When you read the book, it feels like the story is unfolding, but the story was always there. Some physicists think the universe works exactly like that. According to a theory called the block universe, the past, the present, and the future all exist at the same time. You're not creating the future. You're simply moving through it. It sounds impossible. But this idea comes directly from Einstein's theory of relativity. For thousands of years, humans believed time flowed like a river. Yesterday disappeared. Today existed. Tomorrow hadn't happened yet. It felt obvious. But Einstein discovered something strange. Time isn't the same for everyone. If two people move at different speeds, their clocks don't tick at the same rate. Someone near a black hole experiences time differently from someone far away. Even GPS satellites have to correct for this every day. That means there is no single universal now. The present depends on where you are and how you're moving. If there isn't one shared present, then maybe the universe doesn't separate time into past, present, and future at all. Maybe every moment simply exists. Imagine a giant map. You can point to Paris, London, Tokyo. All those places exist simultaneously. You only experience one place because that's where you're standing. The block universe says, time works the same way. Every moment of your life already exists, like locations on a map. Your first birthday, this exact second, your 100th birthday. They're all part of the same four-dimensional structure. You only experience one moment because your consciousness moves through it, or at least that's what it feels like. From this perspective, time isn't flowing. You are. This explains something physicists have struggled with for decades. Why does relativity work so well? Because the equations don't actually treat time as something special. They treat time as another dimension of the universe, not identical to space but woven together with it into something called spacetime. Instead of living in a three-dimensional universe, we're living inside a four-dimensional one. Length, width, height, and time. Together, they form one complete structure. Think of a movie reel. Every frame already exists on the film. The ending isn't created when you watch it, it's already there. The projector simply reveals one frame after another. The block universe suggests reality might work the same way. That raises a disturbing question. If your future already exists, do you actually have free will? Some physicists say no. Every decision you'll ever make is already part of space-time. You're not choosing the future, you're discovering it. Others disagree. They argue that even if the future exists, your choices are still part of that future. You're still the one making them. The debate has never been settled. And that's one reason the block universe remains controversial. What's fascinating is that this isn't science fiction. Many respected physicists and philosophers consider it a serious interpretation of Einstein's work. Even Einstein himself once wrote to the family of a close friend that, for physicists who believe in relativity, the distinction between past, present, and future is only a stubbornly persistent illusion. That single sentence has sparked debates for decades. So, is your future already waiting for you? Nobody knows. But if the block universe is correct, somewhere inside the fabric of space-time, every conversation you'll ever have, every place you'll ever visit, and every moment of your life already exists. You just haven't reached those pages yet. If this messed with your head a little, subscribe. There's more like this coming.